For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its sort of local digital money, Uniswap, UNI, in September 2020. The symbolic cost blast, and in 2 or 3 days, UNI previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization, which is very critical. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade truly was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in light of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens, which basically is genuinely critical. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission expenses. Uniswap digital currency sort of was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting a ballot rights, crucial turns of events, and so on. UNI is an ERC20 token recorded on Changelly, Binance, Huobi Global, Kraken, Crypto.com, and different trades. In 2021, the UNI token began its exhibition astonishingly, alongside the entire digital money market. In January, UNI's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. Why did the Uniswap project blast last year in an unpretentious manner? The above all else explanations behind the most part are the stage's ease of use and joining with the MetaMask wallet. Also, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DES's connection points were not quite as natural as the Uniswap's, as opposed to mainstream thinking. So a mechanized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any middle people. That is the reason this decentralized stage by and large makes the course of trade genuinely smooth and simple in an unobtrusive manner. Uniswap generally depends on the AMM, automated market maker, framework. Liquidity is made by pools with the ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses for the most part are diverted to the pool's hold reserve. UNI holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap in every practical sense, isn't the principal project with AMM, yet it certainly promoted the improvement of this heading, because of which other comparative conventions started to show up, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. UNI Technical Analysis. The cost activity has been explanatory alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development really is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third form, Uniswap v3. As per the clients by means of the TradingView stage, who are responsible for the Uniswap specialized examination, anticipate UNI token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. All things considered, exceptionally bullish Uniswap Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $10.13. The greatest level that the UNI cost can reach is $11.43, which is genuinely huge. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $10.57 in a significant manner. UNI Price Forecast for August 2022. In view of the value changes of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists basically expect the typical UNI pace of $9.40 in August 2022 in a significant manner. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $8.59 and at $9.67, individually. September 2022, Uniswap Price Forecast, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the UNI cost in September 2022. The truly least exchanging cost could explicitly be $9.32, while the most extreme could really reach $10.04 during this month. By and large, It is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $9.68. UNI Price Forecast for October 2022. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value changes of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal UNI rate they foresee may be around $9.87 in October 2022 in a very significant way. It can drop to $9.42 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $10.52. November 2022, Uniswap Price Forecast, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Around mid-year 2022, the UNI cost will be exchanged at $10.17 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $10.92 in a significant manner. It certainly is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $9.72 in November 2022. UNI Price Forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are prepared to explicitly give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $10.57. The most reduced and top UNI rates may be $10.13 and $11.43. Uniswap Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will especially be around $14.69, or so they thought. The greatest expected UNI cost might be around $17.64, which is very huge. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $15.22 in 2023. Uniswap Price Prediction 2024, which is genuinely huge. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying most certainly least and greatest costs. About $21.08 and $25.69, separately, in opposition to mainstream thinking explicitly. The typical expected exchanging cost is $21.69. Uniswap Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base UNI cost could drop to $30.73, while its most extreme can truly reach $36.75. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $31.82. Uniswap Price Prediction 2026, which is very critical.